Week 13, Module 10, Study Skills and Test Preparation. Go ahead and open the Word document. Right now this document is 4 pages, and we're going to be inserting a table of contents, placing captions on pictures, and then creating a table of figures, and then mark entry for several words that we will create an index for. So the first thing we need to do, if you want, you can close out the navigation for now, is to insert a fresh page 1. So choose Insert and Blank Page, or you can press Control Enter. So the new page starts on page 2, so Control Home to get to the blank page 1, and then click References, Table of Contents, and I'm going to go, I like the automatic table too. The next thing I'm going to do is go to my very first picture on page 1, select it. You can right click, or from the References tab, choose Insert Caption. I'm going to go with figure 1, colon. And then OK, and if you'd like to, you can change the shape format, and I'm going to skip it this time. Next picture, Insert Caption, colon. And OK. Move on to page 3, which is now page 4, and Insert Caption, colon. And the last one, Insert Caption, and this is number 4, colon. Control End, and we're ready for our table of figures. So go ahead and insert table of figures, and again, as you select different styles, it was on distinctive, that was my last one. You get a preview in the left-hand corner of what it would look like, and then go ahead and click OK. Control Enter will start off a new page, and again, I'm going to type index first and make it larger, bold, and center, and then Enter. And now we'll go back to start looking for our words, and the first is on page 2. So the first word we're looking for is semester. And if you have trouble locating it, you can use your navigation, Control F, and there it is. So I'll double click it and then X out so it's no longer highlighted, and then I'll choose Mark Entry. It should be in as the word you just selected. Mark All, go back into the document. The next word is distractions. Here it is under Studying Guidelines. Then when you click into the dialog box, it should change to distractions, mark all. Move on to the next page. We're looking for notebook. Double click. Then click your dialog box. There it is. Mark all. Engaged. Click the dialog box. Perfect. Mark all. Moving on to the next page. Looking for assessment. Then click the dialog box. There it is. Mark all. Exploration. And click the dialog box. Mark all. Moving on to the next page, we're looking for citizens. You can always move your dialog box. And if you have trouble finding it, I'm going to use my navigation. And there it is. Double click, turn off the navigation, click the dialog box, perfect, mark all. And the last one is personality. Here we go, and there we go, mark all. close, Control End, and you will put in your insert index. The last one I used was fancy. I'm going to try a different one, classic, and then OK. And then it shows assessments on both page 3 and 4, and personalities on 4 and 5. You can turn your show hide off so you don't see that. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.